Squire is Regent's autonomous Seaglider drone. We're bringing this unmanned capability into the maritime battlespace. Squire is differentiated from existing platforms in that, like all Seagliders, it has float, foil, fly operations. Float means it can stay on the surface of the water indefinitely, weeks or months. Foil means it can take off in a sea state that would render other small aircraft or flying boats unable to take off. And fly means it can traverse long ranges over 100 miles with a 50-pound payload.
Squire is able to do any type of mission in which you would need the endurance of a USV with the speed of a UAV. Squire's testing campaign is in the midst of really hardening the product, doing more takeoffs, longer range, really bringing in more end-to-end missions in which we're showcasing the capabilities of our autonomy stack to enable Squire in this new operational environment.
We're proud that our Seagliders will deliver maritime dominance made in America.